In today's video, we are going to cover how to find uncleared and unreconciled transactions in QuickBooks Online. To begin, go to the left-hand menu and click All Apps. This opens the area where you can move into the accounting tools tied to your company file. From there, expand Accounting, then select Chart of Accounts. You will now be looking at the full list of accounts in QuickBooks Online, including bank accounts and credit cards. In the Chart of Accounts list, find a bank or credit card account that you want to review. Make sure you choose the correct account before moving on, since the transaction status you see in the register applies only to that specific account. Once you have found it, go to the right side of that account row and click View Register. The register displays the transactions recorded in that account, along with columns for details like payments and running balance. What you need to focus on here is a very narrow column marked with a check mark. It sits between the payment column and the balance column. Because the column is narrow, it can be easy to overlook if you are scanning the register quickly, so take a moment to locate it before continuing. After you find that check mark column, click the column heading. This sorts the transactions by reconciliation status, which helps group similar statuses together so they are easier to review. Instead of checking each transaction one by one in a random order, you will be able to scan the register based on whether transactions have been cleared or reconciled. Now review the status shown beside each transaction in that checkmark column. A blank status means the transaction is uncleared and unreconciled. That tells you it has not been marked as cleared and has not been included in a completed reconciliation. If you see a C, that means the transaction is cleared but not yet reconciled. In other words, it has cleared the bank or card account, but it has not been finalized through the reconciliation process. If you see an R, that means the transaction is reconciled. When you want to find uncleared transactions, look specifically for entries with a blank status. Those are the items that have not cleared and have not been reconciled. When you want to find all unreconciled transactions, look for both blank statuses and C statuses. Blank entries are still uncleared, and C entries are cleared but still unreconciled. Transactions marked R are already reconciled, so they are not part of the unreconciled group you are reviewing. You have now located the register and identified uncleared transactions by blank status and unreconciled transactions by blank and C status.